Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to unsend invite messages on Instagram. So guys, if you have sent any message to any person on Instagram and that person is not a friend on your Instagram, so guys, and want to delete your message or want to unsend your message from messenger and not be able to unsend like this. So guys, now you can see I have not any option of unsend. So guys, how can you fix this problem? So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to click on this is main profile, and guys after this you need to open this profile, and guys after opening it, simply you need to click on these three lines, three dots, and guys after this you need to block this person, and guys you need to block it. And guys after doing block, now you can see this person has been blocked on my Instagram account. So guys simply you need to go back. So guys, when you have blocked this, then guys simply you need to go back and guys open your Instagram again, and guys you need to click on messages, and guys now you can see you have the option of delete. So guys simply you need to click on delete, and guys now you can see all the chats will be deleted and your messages is on send on Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.